Guys, so I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and wipe all of this makeup off of my face so we can go ahead and use the this is the taupe color for the brow powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the pencil side and touch up my brows. If you guys can totally tell, there's nothing wrong with the color. It's perfect. It's literally my color eyebrows. I guess that's why they call it universal. Take the spoolie on the back and comb it all out, player. So that is my eyebrows for now. You make my heart sing, dun, you make everything wild, darn. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and take Glam Rock and apply that all over my lid. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to put that not all over the lid. I'm leaving the outer corner blank so I can go ahead and add black to that area. Or it's not called black, it's called black metal. Black metal with this brush here on the outer corners of my eye. This is the quick look that I came up with. I'm going to go ahead and add on the blush, which is by Pure Blush and Glow. Y'all, if that's not a glow, I don't know what is. So now I'm taking this short brush here and I am going in with the Afterglow, which is the middle one, as a highlighter. I see stuff. You guys, this palette is untouchable. Untouchable? Can anyone, I repeat, anyone see this glow, honey? So I'm taking a small brush like this. I'm going in with that same glow. This is Physician's Formula, and this is a black, ultra black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes. So let me go ahead and add the Galactic Posh lipstick and call this a look. So again, this is the Galactic lipstick in the color Posh, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips. This is the finished look. These guys on Facebook are crazy, guys. Straight up. I love you all. Anyway, so this is the finished look. I did a really quick look. I will create more looks with this Boxycharm box. Just, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a half a thumbs up. So like it started down here and it worked its way up. The only thing that I really enjoyed out of this Boxycharm box for the month of January was the pure bronzer and brightener. This stuff is amazeballs. You guys, this stuff is so buttery. It's ridiculous. I'm telling you guys, look at this highlight. It's almost as though I'm crying. Anyways, this lip color is not really my color. And as for the glam medals, that's the glam medals. Is this one right here? It's not really my type of palette. It really didn't do anything for me. I feel like I have all of these colors in a knockoff palette somewhere. That cost me about $1. Anyways, like I said, my favorite color in this palette is Heavy Metal because it reminds me of an old school blue that was like back in the 80s or some stuff. The Luminizer Primer I did not use yet. I haven't tried it yet. My friend Boss Lady Katie was letting me know that they are not cruelty free, so she will be getting rid of hers. And I just want to try it. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope to see you next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget, sharing is caring. Thanks guys. Bye. Check out my highlight, check out my highlight, check out my highlight. Hey, hey, check out my highlight, check out my highlight, check out. Hey, hey. Bye. Remember, sharing is caring.